And what you're listening to right now, of course, is 528 hertz, release inner conflict and struggle, anti-anxiety cleanse, stop overthinking, worry, and stress. And I know for a lot of people, this is very, very much an issue. It's very difficult to kind of stop that wheel, the monkey brain type of situation where you just go on and on and on, worrying over and over and over again, especially if you don't have results of a test. But what this is, according to Dr. Leonard Horowitz, a frequency that is central to the musical mathematical matrix of creation, more than any sound previously discovered. The love frequency resonates at the heart of everything. It connects your heart, your spiritual essence, to the spiraling reality of heaven and earth. And so, as you allow this great sound to bathe your eardrums, I'd like you to close your eyes, allow your lids to just gently close, as you can now focus even deeper on the wonderful soundscape of 528 hertz. And as you do so, you will probably notice that your breathing also flows with the music. You become more aware of this rhythm in the background. A kind of wave flows in and out with every breath. So as you breathe in, positive healing energy enters your body, spreading to each cell, each molecule, and each muscle. And as you breathe out, you release any worries, tension, toxic energy just leaves your body completely. And this gentle wave of relaxation will continue to be with you throughout this session and will carry forward over the next several days and weeks, just embedded in your subconscious mind. As it reaches out through different parts of your body, mind, and spirit, you feel these tingling sensations spreading. And these tingling sensations are indications that you are getting an even deeper dose of healing energy. So let us now travel through different parts of your body, mind, and spirit. And make sure that each part of you is completely relaxed. Starting with your feet and your ankles. Relax. Your calves and your knees. Relax. Your thighs and your hips. Relax. Feel the sensations of warmth and relaxation now entering your tailbone and traveling up your spine, one vertebrae at a time. Now opening the root chakra, opening, cleansing, expanding. Relax. Traveling now up into the lower part of your back. Feel the sensations of warmth and relaxation now traveling round into your abdomen, your lower abdomen. The sacral chakra, healing and comforting, soothing and relaxing. Now breathe in a nice breath as we now move up into the middle part of your back. And release as we now travel around to the solar plexus. The warmth of the sun now emanating into that part of your body, mind, and spirit. Just like the sun rays emanating throughout your body. This is like the center of the universe. You feel the power. Let it rush through every part of your body, mind, and spirit. As you now travel up the back of your spine, all the way up to the top of your back, feel the sense of warmth and relaxation. Travel round into your chest area. And as you breathe in, cool, soothing air enters your body. Feel it in your nostrils. It enters your lungs. And the oxygen and healing power of 528 hertz now travels, fusing into the blood, the healing oxygen, into the heart chakra. That now captures all that healing energy and spreads it throughout your body, mind, and spirit, through each cell, molecule, muscle, organ. And as you breathe out, negative energy leaves your body together with any residual toxins, worry, tension, and relax. Traveling now up the back of your neck, feel the sensation of warmth and relaxation now entering into the limbic system at the base of your skull. The limbic system, the most primitive part of the human brain, yet the most crucial and essential for our survival. It is that very part of the brain that has allowed us to survive from millions and millions and millions and millions of years ago, when our survival was contingent upon being able to react in a split second in case of danger. And while it was necessary at that time to escape from imminent danger, that same reaction, often referred to as the fight or flight syndrome, can create havoc in modern day humans. And it is that reaction that we are now looking at calming, harnessing, but being able to control, as though you yourself were a great yoga master, sitting in a lotus position, very calm, serene, without a care in the world. And on the count of 3, you will become a great yoga master. 1, 2, 3. You are now a great yoga master. You have mastered the technique of bringing down your heart rate, bringing down your breathing to a snail's pace. You are so calm and at peace. It feels as if you are simply a lily pad in water, a pad in a pond of water. So quiet, the water barely moves, but you feel this wonderful, enriching quality that enters your body. All the wonderful nutrients that come from this pond are there for you to enjoy. And think of yourself as this lily pad in the pond as we continue the journey of relaxation and health. Moving up now, the back of your head. Feel the sensations of warmth and relaxation now traveling across the top of your head, your crown chakra, which is now opening, cleansing and expanding to allow the communication between you and the universe to become more and more clear and relaxed. Traveling now down your forehead, your eyebrows, your eyelids, the muscles that control your eyes movement, and finally the center of your brain and the pineal gland, which is where resides the third eye. The psychic you, which is able to predict future, bring everything into the here and now, have a greater sense of confidence, sense of insight, because now it's opening, expanding, and relaxing. Moving on down your nose, your lips, your tongue, your lower jaw, and all the skin on your face, and even your scalp. Relax. Feel the sensations now. Relaxation traveling down your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, and your fingers. You may feel warm and tingling sensations in your hands and your fingers. These are sensations associated with relaxation and hypnosis. I am going to count backwards now from 10 to 0. And on the number 0, you will find yourself entering into a very deep, profound state of hypnosis and relaxation. 10, 9, more and more relaxed and calm. 8, gently relaxing. 7, more and more. 6, so relaxed and calm. 5, feels so good. 4, down, down. 3, gently relaxing. 2, down, down. 0. You are now in a state of complete relaxation and hypnosis. And with every word I say, you will pay attention to every word I say. Like the tip of a pin, so sharp and clear is each word that I say. Your subconscious mind will remember and act on every word that I say, for you know that this is in your best interest to follow and act on every word I say. And I'm going to count again backwards from 10 to 0. Only this time when you reach the number 0, you will enter into the deepest state possible of hypnosis. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. You are now in the deepest state possible of hypnosis. It is here that you are able to create the greatest possible scenario for your health. It is here that you can actually develop a plan for recovery. In fact, you can actually take all of the things that you've had to deal with in your lifetime. You can bring them all with you on this journey. And especially all the things you've had to deal with over the past year regarding your health. All of this is now part of your control. Just as you've mastered the ability to slow down your breathing and your heart rate, you also can master the ability to heal, to heal, to heal. Well, as you continue to breathe in a very relaxed and soothing manner, I'd like you to remember the image of yourself as a water lily on this wonderful pond in nature. And the beauty of this water lily is that it has so many stages of growth it goes through. While it may not always be blooming, it nevertheless has the ability to survive many obstacles and challenges. Sometimes the water is not the perfect temperature. Sometimes it may not have a certain clarity that it requires, but the lily has the ability to be very robust and strong, to rise above adversity, to always have the ability to grow, and when the time is right, to take all the challenges and all the experiences of its life and channel all of that as a wonderful fertilizer to sprout the most beautiful blossoms, flowers. And so it is, see yourself in this light, the beautiful light of creativity, life and growth, different challenges, different seasons. Carry on. You bring forth the miracle of healing. And off in the distance, you know that there is a source of life, of water, of energy, healing essence. That merges with the water that flows into the pond and provides you with the nourishment that is required for healing, penetrating deep into every cell, every molecule, every fiber of your mind, body, and spirit. For it is you who have control and mastery. For as you connect with your higher self through third eye and the crown chakra, it's as if you're developing an even stronger connection between heaven and earth. You have this connection with nature. You have this connection with the universe. Your feet are grounded into the earth like the roots of a tree, and the branches reach out into the stars above. And this sensation of being able to reach out, at the same time being firmly grounded to the earth, allows you to stretch completely with confidence, almost as if you've been reborn. All the cells of your body are being energized and filled with light and the healing frequency of 528 hertz, recharging each cell, each muscle, each fiber and molecule of your mind, body, and spirit. Allow that to sink in with every breath you take, with every breath you take, with every breath you take. And now, as you feel yourself feeling extremely light, as you blend mind, body, and spirit with nature and the universe, you become one with all. There is a sense of perfection, a sense that all is well. And there's nothing you can do that will make things bad or worse. You are exactly where you need to be right now. And especially now that you are connecting with your higher self, and your third eye is so sharp, filled with instinct and intuition, allowing you to see much more clearly what is before you. It gives you a confidence that you've never felt before. It's almost as if you have the ability to fly like an eagle. Who has a boundless ability to fly very, very high and see very, very far. It always knows where it needs to go, never fearing what's ahead, for it can see everywhere. Take with it the knowledge of the past, present, and future, combining it into one, the here and now, and making it a powerful force. Filled with strength, confidence, and success. And so it is, you have the ability to metamorphosize. At once you were a water lily, now an eagle. So it is that you transform from one form into another, from one chapter into another. But you always bring with you the knowledge and the wisdom that you have gained from each experience. as you continue to breathe in a very relaxed and soothing fashion. I know it's probably very difficult to remember everything that I've said, especially when you think about 10 minutes ago, 15, even 5 minutes ago. It all seems so difficult and hard and way too much trouble than it's worth. So instead, I'd like you to just relax and not worry or stress over whether or not you remember every word I say. Or you can just choose to remember to forget, or even forget to remember. It's all up to you. In a few moments, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. Then on the number 5, you will open your eyes and feel relaxed, refreshed, and alert. But in the meantime, all you have to remember is that when you emerge from this session, you're going to feel like you just had a very satisfying and profound nap. And you'll also feel like you're so completely energized, filled with healing energy and power like you've never felt before. This will carry over for the next several days and weeks. As well, you're going to sleep so well tonight for the next several days and weeks. It's going to take on all the healing properties that you've just experienced during this session and multiply that many, many times over to give you a surge of regenerative power and health. Regenerative power and health. Regenerative power and health. I'm going to count now from 1 to 5. And on the number 5, you will open your eyes and feel relaxed, refreshed, and alert. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your eyes are beginning to open. 5. Open your eyes and feel relaxed, refreshed, and alert.